What's going on, man? Day 27. We're in Krabi, Aonang, and we're about to go do a bit of kayaking on through the mangroves. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, I'm still feeling pretty rough. Me and alcohol, we just don't mix very well. We're not good friends. I'm not feeling it, alright? So bear with me today. And also, I've looked at my GoPro and I've got a crack on my front screen. So not the screen that I'm looking at from this way, like the big main screen has got a crack on it. So I'm fucking fuming. I'm not sure what I'm meant to do about water and stuff now. I mean, I've got a waterproof case, but putting that on every single time I want to go on water is pretty jarring. Go on. Needs another helmet, he says. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try and look at getting it fixed or something, or just not go in water unless I've got my case on, which again is really jarring, but it's sort of my own fault. I don't know when it's happened or how I've done it, but it's happened now, so yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with it. And I don't even know what I'm talking about now, I'm just rambling on, so I guess we'll see you on the road when we're beep 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 beep. Like I said, this place, it's absolutely bloody gorgeous. Just such a chilled vibe. Lovely beach, lovely weather, lovely food, lovely views. What more can you ask for? I mean, we won't go into that, will we? Look at that beach. Oh, we need to, well, I've got this cut on my head now and I've got a crack in my GoPro. So water doesn't like it's going to be my friend, but I still want to do some swimming. We need to learn. Wait till the place that we're checking into today, you're going to like a lot. So stay tuned for some of that stuff. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we're nearly at 400 subscribers and it's not even been a month yet. Look us go! We still need to think of a name. If you've got any suggestions for a name for the I don't want to say fan. That sounds so egotistical. For the man dem and the gal dem, then yeah, just let us know what you want it to be. Wow, my brain's still gone.
Landmark boxing stadium
Tonight.
And this is nothing yet, it gets 10 times better, I'm telling you. Yeah, the kayaking place, it's only about 17 minutes away, but I think we might be going somewhere afterwards. Not 100% sure yet, but we've still got tomorrow as well, obviously. You know for a fact what these roads look. Oh my god, I'm itching. I am genuinely itching to get on something with gears, because this, look how dead it is. This is what it's like in most places in Krabi. As soon as you get out of the centre, a few bikes, a few cars on the road, that's all you see. Oh my god!
And we are in. I'm not gonna lie, last time I was on a kayak, it was on Rayleigh Beach and I didn't have a life jacket on. So this time we're going safe. Doesn't look that deep, I'm not gonna lie, that doesn't look the best, does it? But let's be honest, we're just right at the start. It looks absolutely mint. I'm probably gonna stick my chest strap on so I can just fucking bash about. Like I said, because it's got a crack, I don't really want to risk it in the water, but we'll see what we're doing anyway. Let us get out there a little bit because Uncle John's already buggering off. So yeah, we'll catch up to them and then we'll see what's going down. I am honestly such a nerd. Like, look at that tree. Let's get... How mental is that? Is it just me that thinks that looks cool? I mean, I guess I can dip it in the water like that. Look how clear everything is. Oh my god, this place is amazing. Mangroves! Look at this. Oh my god. I actually really enjoy kayaking. Considering I'm not a strong swimmer, I love it. Do you guys think then? I think it was only about a fiver to come on here. Maybe like £6, yeah, I think it's £7 actually, lines here, £6.50. But though it's absolutely roasting. Probably should have put some sun cream on, to be honest with you, but oh, we're beached again. How clear the water is. I think I'm just gonna have to dunk my head in. I mean, my cut should be all right. It's not infected or anything. It's nice and it's healing well. So, and this, oh my god, I am so hot. Lovely though, I love it. I think that's frog spawn or fish egg. Yeah. Oh, I need to get back over, for God's sake. Look at what we've got here. You like this, won't you, Dad? Oh, try to get round. And the penthus. So that is a carnivorous plant. Oh my god, I'm going away from it. Right, let me try and get close.
Ready?
Go on then.
Let's go.
That looks mint. Careful with the crocs, John. The further down here. No, I'm on about in the water. Wait till we get further down then, you'll see, mate. I'm telling you. Look at that. Oh my god. This is proper chiller. When bro says he knows a spot, he knows a spot, man. Just cruising through the mangroves. I'm just being silent so you can appreciate the nature for a couple of minutes. Or should I say seconds? Because this is just amazing. Oh no. Oh no. Shit. Oh, we're stuck. No, we're not. Oh, I need to go this way. There we go. Oh my god, this is amazing. Look at it all. Oh. It's really, like, obviously when well, definitely is safe to swim in. It's a bit better. What is that? What is that? I don't know. Little pit stop. I mean, if you let me bring me Crocs, I probably could have gone in. But with shark bite, can't be getting in. Oh, they love it, don't they? I tell you what, sweat keeps getting in my eyes. It's absolutely grim. Right, I'm not the best at turning on these, am I? Let's be honest. Okay, now. So if I'm going that way with that one, then I need to go that way with that. Look at that. I mean, it slows you down. That's the only problem doing it that way. But oh my god. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Stay away from the sides. You have to let me know as well, what do you think to the chest strap on the kayak? Like, I just feel like it's so much better. I know you can't see my face, so there's no POV, but that's not exactly a bad thing. Bit stuck there, buddy. Yeah. What a... Look at that gold thing there. Bit of a crash. How clear. This is the tour guide over there, is explaining to them, but this is spring water. I mean, I wouldn't want to drink it, but it looks a lot cleaner than what it was over there. Actually, just sounds weird saying that, it feels pretty fresh. Navigating through tricky waters here. Oh, that's one bump. Right, we need to try and sliver our way through the gap. Oh yeah. That's how it's done. Look at this. This is so chilling. Oh, I think I might just lie back. Oh, and you know what, for 10-15 minutes. Yeah, I think that's the plan. Oh, beached, man. Oh, this is so chilling. It's fucking hot though. I feel like we can sort of blag it doing that because the crack's like at the other side, and to be honest, it doesn't look like the water will get in, but again, I don't want to risk it, do I, because the camera cost about 400 quid. But I can't believe I've cracked it already. Anyway, stop moaning, enjoy. Just enjoy, man. Enjoy the scenery, dude. So cool. There's loads of fish in here, but I keep missing them because obviously as you come over to them with the kayak, they swim away. So my camera comes out too late. But they're like the fish from Nemo with the black and white on. Well cool. We'll try get a shot of some. I've got blue hair. It's pretty cool. Can't lie, my legs are probably burning, but it's got to be worth it for the view, man. Oh, feel like we're on an episode of Top Gear here. Go, got it. You off? Woo, say, all right, fuck you then. Fucking listen to him, our teamwork, just them two, like I've not just come out of my way to save them. We know how it is. Yeah, man.
What you stopped for? That's a shame, isn't it? See you later then. It's alright.
Get us off this fucking rock.
Come to save the day again.
I'm chilled near this rock, you know.
He's chilled on that rock, yeah.
We're literally stuck.
Right in the middle of it.
Right, let's try and get him off. What's happened again?
I can't fucking do it. I'm just sat here.
They've got stuck about 4 times. Lisa's not happy. Feel free. That's what it says on your kayak.
What?
Feel free.
I am free.
Show who's the man. Go on.
Right up middle of it.
Look at the strength. Right, that's kayaking done. That was actually really fun. Like I said, second time being on a kayak, it's just nice to see what it's like, because this is obviously, this is nature here, so absolutely mint. I love that. We're gonna go check into the villa. Yeah, that's right, we're staying in a villa. Obviously courtesy of Uncle John and Lisa, so thank you for that. And yeah, go maybe for a ride or something. It's quite early still, but I feel like this is a good day because I'm finally up, active and out, instead of like getting out at like 3 PM or something like that, like usual, whereas we've already done something and it's not even 2 PM yet. So yeah, I've got the chest strap. I'll show you a bit of the roads, man, but on the way back I might record something, I don't know, you'll see. You know what, right, everyone keeps going on saying that these are meant to be dead good, and I thought they were only pork, which I don't really want to eat microwave pork, but beef for you guys, we'll give it a go, we'll see what it's saying, and then try it for yourself, can't you? Oh, do you know what, I mean, it doesn't look massively awful for me. I mean, it could probably look better, couldn't it? It's red hot as well. Try and have a bite whilst it's still. That's just a shit Russell burger. Russell burgers are definitely better than that. I mean, we can try. No, it's not terrible. It's edible. Like, I thought that would have been a bleh moment, but it's not actually that bad. I mean, listen, if you're pissed up and you want something to eat, you'll probably love that, but yeah, it's not too bad.
tell you what, getting onto these hot seats will not the one in the sun. Jesus Christ, my arse is burning. Ooh. Hello. Look at this gaff. I feel like #Brady. Hell, which bed? This is nice, nice. Bedroom number 2. This place is massive. Oh, that's funny that, yeah, to get into the bedroom, there's no other way but this door here. Right. No way, that's it. You get your own parking space. And then yeah, back into the living area. Some complimentary snacks. Mementos. Don't know why the roof's so high. I really want to get in the pool. I really want to backflip into the pool with my camera, but I can't because it's got a fucking crack in it. Oh my god, right, I think we need to go get a big bike. Got a felt fridge for us, like. Don't know what that is, washing machine hopefully, because I need to wash some clothes. Look at that. Have a bit of washing as well whilst we're here. Oh, I'm so cured I fucked my GoPro. I'm sure I can still do a backflip though and just leave it outside the water. Or I could just put the big case on just to do a backflip. Do you know what I mean? Oh, I don't know, lovely shower. All them beds and only one person. It's actually quite chilled. Right, let me get myself sorted out and we'll get in there. So who cares about this head? It's just a scratch. Right, we've got a waterproof case on. I don't even know if I can hear this, so I'm going to give it like a testing, 1, 2, testing. Why am I so paranoid to do one into the water now, considering I fucking smashed my head the other day? Oh my god. It doesn't even hurt at all, like it looks worse than it is because obviously that's what scratches are like. Oh my god, why am I so paranoid? I'm just gonna have to go for it, aren't I? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice water. Nice and chill. Swimming it up. I don't know about that, I mean, it looks cool and all, but I don't really feel much. What? Get that? Learn how to dive. That's more my style. What a heart. You know what, I've had a look back and it sounds fine. I just might have to speak a bit louder when I'm around water, but obviously I won't use the case all the time. It'll only be for whenever I'm going into water, because I'm not being funny, it's definitely not worth the risk of ruining the camera, is it? Let's be honest. How's your exact camera? Do I look Australian? Well, I look Australian now, mate. I mean, my mallet's a bit wet, so you can't see it, but it's there. You know what I mean? Fucking Jesus Christ, mate, nearly went on my arse then. Fucking crocodile. Crocodile Dundee. I mean, Jesus Christ, I've tied it on my neck, so hopefully it stays on. But I thought, why not like do a flip with Australian head on and see what that looks like. I don't know, at this point, people are probably just skipping the backflips because I genuinely do that many of them. But they're just so fun. I can't help myself. Oh shit, can't my fucking hat came off. I'm thinking as well, like when I am in the water using the GoPro, obviously when you don't have the case on and you go under the water and you come back up, it has water in it, so it like muffles out. But if I've got this case on, it should stay the same all the time, should it not? I don't know, I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm talking about, to be honest. I'm debating either getting a big bike, like in about half an hour, just flying up and getting one, or getting one tomorrow. But we could really do with getting out on some on them roads, because they're absolutely amazing. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm just like, oh my god, yeah, it's mint here. Oh my god. Oh, look at it! Look at my nose! Oh my gosh! Oh, I can do it! Look at me! That's a right fat flop, that weren't it? I've never under rotated or front flipped so much in my life. What's going on? I've just been chilling for the past hour or so, to be honest. Like I said, I'm not sure. I'm going to go to the bike shop today either way to see what they've got, and then, I don't know, we'll just discuss it later. But just chilling by the pool, man. What do you think about seeing all the pool stuff as well, and the backflips and stuff like that? Like, is that entertaining or is it just overkill? Because I don't know, I feel like when I watch people in water, there's something satisfying about it. Again, it might just because I like water. I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna get back in, to be honest. I might do a few more clips, man. Get me doing some breaststroke and that, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm quite impressed with the case with the camera on, so we might be able to make this work a bit more often if we can do that. And then obviously when I'm not going in water, take it out of the case. Don't know how I've cracked it at all, but shit happens, man, shit happens. How do people even dive? Like, is it the nose blowing thing again? Like, I managed to do it before a little bit, like I come out of the water and I didn't have water in my nose. But I don't know, like you see people and they're like, so are they blowing out as they're in the water, or like, can I do it one-handed? Does it count if I do it one? How the fuck do we do this? Why am I scared? Why am I scared to jump into water every single time? You definitely don't do it like that. Here you go. Why does it taste salty in the water as well? It's like some water. Oh.
place plug in the water. Not even a dime. How? Oh my god. Such a tell you what, I've actually blocked in Thailand, mate, not London.
Tonight, next couple of days, save money.
Oh, they're ready. Oh.
Right, we're off to get some meat. You want some meat, John? Very enthusiastic, aren't you? Do you want some meat, John?
Oh, some fucking monster.
Just doesn't get it, does he? Don't you hit my bike. What you hey! Hey! Yeah. Right, we're gonna go get some meat, and I'm gonna go to that bike shop and have a look at that bike as well. To see what they've got for tomorrow, potentially. Not got the chest strap, I think we've seen enough pissing about today, so we'll just get there and show you some meat.
Think about it, caught the sun a bit today. And is this a look, by the way? We've got the visor down, we've got the special shades on, you know what I mean? We're kicking back here right now. Speed up. Look at that. How can you not love Thailand? Absolutely amazing, man. Welcome to Krabi, baby! Oh my god! Is that some out of a movie? Oh, I love this place so much.
That actually sounds pretty weird. I've just realised when I was talking about meat, I don't even think I said that we're having a barbecue. That's why we've come to get meat. Not ladyboy meat, like meat. To eat the meat. Looking for cordial again. We're just never gonna find it, are we? Like, we might as well give up hopes. I think someone commented on something that I did, saying that there's a shop in Phuket, but we're not in Phuket, we're in Krabi. But I will look, Fruit Loops. Fucking Fruit Loops. How have they got Fruit Loops and fucking Cocoa Crunch with crayons in and granola, but they don't? No, I'm not having it. It's absolute jar. I just want some Vimto.
I'm probably going to end up showing this every single day. I genuinely can't get over it. Breathtaking. Bloody hell. Crazy buggers on this road. We've just got some meat. I'm going to head to the bike shop. John's taking it back to the villa. Obviously it's a bit spoiled. But I'm going to go have a look at these bikes now and see what we can get ourselves for tomorrow. Because we're ready for these roads. We're ready, baby.
Right then, maybe we're not getting a 600. Apparently one of them is in the garage and one of them is rented out. I said, well, is it available tomorrow? Oh, I don't know. I'm not being funny, I love Thai people, but some of them are just so fucking rude. Like, I'm trying to give you money. What's the problem? So yeah, they've got 300s, but I don't really want a 300. Like, it's 200 baht extra from a 300 to a 500, 600. Like, do you know what I mean? So, I don't know, I'm going to have a little think about it now for 5 minutes, and then, I don't know, we'll either be on a new bike, or, I don't know, I'll try and sort something out tomorrow. It's really done my head in, because I want one now, and the sun's going down. I want to get out for like the last half an hour of sunlight, just have a little bash, but, yeah, clearly not. We'll sort something anyway. Right, I'm actually pissed off now. I've just been sat in that shop for about fucking 45 minutes, going through every single bike that they've got. They've not got one bike at all. Yeah, genuinely, it's just fucking, it's proper pissed me off. I'm in a proper shit mood now. So fuck knows what I'm gonna do. I'll try and look for another bike, but all I want is to rent a proper bike. But where is it with these shitty heads? Another thing. The food in Thailand is massively seasoned and it tastes absolutely gorgeous, but when you try and find your own seasonings, like, that's the thing I love about home, is that cooking my own food and seasoning everything myself, and like making it taste what you want to taste it like. You know, some chicken, some pork chops, and chicken, probably some sausages in the fridge now and John as well. So, you know, we'll get this on the barbecue. I'm absolutely starving. I might go out for a drink after this, I don't know. We'll see what's going on. Yeah, I genuinely really do enjoy cooking. It's probably one of my favourite like pastime things to do, because it passes time really well, and then you get to eat your pastime. And if you're making food to pass time, then it's always going to taste good, isn't it? I mean, if you struggle with cooking food, then shame on you, but chicken on the barbecue, you can't go wrong at all. I mean, it's not like we're in Thailand and we can't just walk outside of the street and probably get it off the side of the road, but there's something to do in it. Got a barbecue, you might as well use it. Chillin'. Wet. Do you reckon the shades would stay on the face if we jumped into the pool? I'm not quite sure, to be honest. I don't know how we execute this, like... Oh, yeah, I forgot. How can you wipe your eyes if you've got sunglasses on? Bit of that. I can open my eyes, man. What? Right, that's going to be the end of today. I can't lie, I've just been messing about in the pool and fucking about doing backflips, as you can clearly see. I'm probably going to go out for a few drinks. Obviously, yesterday's video should be up, hopefully 8 PM. I don't know why I'm saying it like this is going to be afterwards anyway, but yeah, hope everyone's enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment where you want to see me go in Thailand. See you soon.